Welcome to Followers Panda. In this video, we will look at how to watch Twitch streams on Roku. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. Navigate to the Roku site on a web browser. Go to https://my.roku.com. If you have previously owned Twitch on your Roku, you will still be able to access the official Twitch app, which is no longer available to the general public. Log in and visit the My Account page. Log in to your Roku account. You should then be brought to the My Account page where you can see all kinds of relevant info on your Roku account. Click on Add Channel with a code. We need to add the official Twitch app with a code. Click Add Channel with a code, which should be located under Manage Account on the left side of the page. Type TwitchTV and click Add Channel. The code for the official Twitch app is TwitchTV. Type it in the field and click Add Channel. Click OK to proceed. Roku will offer a warning regarding the installation of uncertified apps. Click OK to move past it and get the Twitch app. Click Yes, Add Channel. The Twitch app is officially yours. Because you have used the app in the past, it will likely look quite familiar when you load it on your Roku device. You may log into your Twitch account and use the app as if it is Twitch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insider tips and tricks. And hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.